Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for a license plate light, also known as tag light on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix after that. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. The license plate lights, also known as tag light, guys, fuses, relays. First, let's go ahead and open the hood. Here we'll be working on a fuse box that's under the hood, but before that, let's start with the fuse box that's hidden, guys. You wonder where we need to come to the driver's side, open the door. On the left side of the steering wheel underneath, we have a fuse box hidden right here. Some relays and more hidden relays in the corner back there. Now, there will be even more things, guys. That's why we made one video that's called VWT1 Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that will show you all your hidden relays, fuses, how to get to it, how to get to them. All that will be on our YouTube channel. Oh, by the way, before we start, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And here now, guys, what we need to check, we'll start with that mini block right here with the mini fuses. Starting here in the second row, we need to check fuse number 12. The fuse number will be right under the fuse with very small numbers. Number 12, 13, 15, some of you may have 16. You may have all of them or some of them, guys, but there is very limited information about the lightning fuses, but check all of these, most likely will be one of those. Also, you need to check fuse number, that's 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Here will need to be checked, 22 and 23. So these three fuses here will need to be checked as well. Also, check fuse number 49, and some of you may have fuse number 48. The numbers will be printed on top of the fuses here. Now, also, what else we need to check? We're going to come under the hood now. And under the hood, guys, on the driver's side, facing the engine on the right side, that's the driver's side, is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover there, and we're going to check here fuses, guys. Okay, that's for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan fuse box layout. Then, after that, we'll explain about 2008 to 2011 year model Tiguan as well. Here you need to check fuse number 5, okay, right there, fuse number 5. You need to check fuse number 25 and 26, these two fuses. Now, guys, if you have a 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, that's what the fuse box will look like. And here you will need to check fuse number 3, and you will need to check fuse number 26 right here. Now if you still have problems, guys, we'll recommend, those are the main fuses that we check. You don't have relays, but we'll recommend to check fuses and relays for the BCM body control module, because the BCM actually controls that function as well, and we'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that as well. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.